Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a nice factorial equation. X factorial over 6 factorial is equals to 7 factorial. Here we are going to find out the value of x. So let's start our solution. In the first step, you need to know about the factorials. So factorials are the multiplication of one number with the number below that number. And the general formula for the factorial we have that is n factorial is equals to n bracket n minus 1 factorial. Now here if I want to write the factorial of 4, so this can be written as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We can write this 4 factorial in this form also, 4 times 3 factorial, because this is the factorial of 3. So here I will going to write the factorial of 6 and 7. Before that, I will going to rearrange the expression for x factorial. Now I will going to write the factorial of 6 and 7. X factorial is equals to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times, now the 7 factorial, 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now in the next step, I will going to expand this 6. So x factorial is equals to this. I will going to write 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6. Here 7 I will going to write same as, and in replacement of 6 I will going to write 2 times 3 give us 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now in the next step, I will going to multiply some of the numbers. X factorial is equals to, here I'm going to write 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6. Here I will going to add 7 factorial now. And now in replacement of 2 and 3, what I will do, I will going to multiply this 2 with this 4. So I will get 8. And then I want to write 3. So for that, I will going to multiply 3 with this 3. So times 9. Then 5, 2 times I will going to write. So then I will get 10. So if you can see here, this is our 10 factorial. Where factorial and this factorial get cancelled, x is equals to 10. So this is our final answer. Now here I will going to verify my answer. X factorial over 6 factorial is equals to 7 factorial. In replacement of x, I will going to write 10 factorial over 6 factorial is equals to 7 factorial. Now in replacement of this 10 factorial, I will 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9 times 10 over 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 is equals to 7 factorial. Here this till here and this get cancelled. So the remaining expression I'll get that is 7 times 8 times 9 times 10 is equals to 7 factorial. Now what I will do, I will going to expand this 8, 9 and 10. 7 times and this 2 times 2 times 2. And in replacement of this 9, 3 times 3. Replacement of this 10, I will going to write 2 times 5 is equals to 7 factorial. Now what I will do, I will going to write 1. So then 2 times now 3. Now 4 I want, so I'm going to multiply this. And then 5. Then 2, 3 times 6 times 7 is equals to 7 factorial. So this is the factorial of 7. 7 factorial is equals to 7 factorial. So this left-hand side equals to the right-hand side. So the value of x we find out that is absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.